Hi guys, Callum here in the kitchen for Edwardstown Mazda. Now, Dave is the used vehicle manager here at Edwardstown Mazda, and he loves to get up early, go for a round of golf, and I hear that he loves Mexican food. So today, I want to make him my fish tacos with pineapple salsa. The first thing I'm going to do is make the pineapple salsa. I've got here cucumber, I'm just going to dice up. We've got radish, spring onions, coriander, and of course, pineapple. I love using spring onions here, but you could use chives or red onion or shallot. I'm just going to pick in my coriander leaves whole. I like them nice and kind of large and robust and part of this salsa, but I know that not everyone's a huge coriander fan, so mint or parsley or basil here would be just as good. Now for this dish, I'm a huge fan of using fresh pineapple. The canned stuff is too sweet in a savoury dish. If you pop a little leaf out of the top, then you know your pineapple's ripe. I'm using pineapple here, but I also like using Granny Smith apple. Just something a little bit crunchy, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, really complements the fish. Squeeze the lemon juice and toss it all together. Now for the fish. So we're going to go on to some beautiful salmon fillets here, and of course you could use any fish that you like. Some ground cumin, some smoked paprika if you can find it as well. Give that a little rub and then into a nice hot pan. And while the salmon's cooking, we're going to make our guacamole. So pop your avocado in half, give it a twist, give that seed a little knock, twist it out, give it a little gentle knock. And from here, I'm always a fan of scooping out the avocado first and then chopping it on your chopping board. I've seen one too many people hold it in their hand, not a good idea. If you've got a large spoon, it's kind of roughly the size of the avocado, you better get right in there. Now, of course, you could just tip this into a blender or a food processor or a mortar and pestle even, but today I'm just going to hand chop it, save on dishes. I'm going to keep our guac super simple today, a pinch of salt, another squeeze of lemon. But if you want to add to this more herbs, you can add some jalapenos or fresh chili as well. You add some grated garlic to it. From here you can take it in a lot of different directions. I reckon a classic is a good one here. Alright, when the salmon's really lovely and golden brown, let's give it a little turn and cook it on the other side until it's cooked through to your liking. Alright, time to plate up. A couple of tortillas, or you can use the hard tacos as well if you like. Going to go on with some of our really rough, chunky guacamole here, and then some of that beautiful flake salmon. Beautiful blushing pink on the inside here. I prefer just to kind of gently flake it apart. That is going to be absolutely delicious. The spices have got no chari, the cumin and the paprika. The salmon's still just blushing pink in the middle here, nicely seasoned. I reckon Dave is absolutely going to fall in love with these. A little bit of shredded cabbage. And finally, our pineapple salsa. Well, there you have it, my fish tacos with pineapple salsa. I reckon Dave is going to love getting stuck into these. I better go take him to him, but if you need any advice about a used car, here's your guy.